Hello, Paul here from EMD. Just want to show you what we're doing today. We have removed the DPF filter for this car here and sent away for commercial cleaning. I'll show you where it is. It's a bit painful to do when they rust, all the bolts are rusted, so we're going to get new bolts. But basically it sits under there. So we removed it out, sent away for, it's been picked up already for the commercial cleaning. So now we just remove the intake manifold. This is the intake manifold here. That's where the intake manifold goes. So we just finished removing it out. We're going to check all the glow plugs as well. At the moment, just a quick video to show you what's happening. Have a look at the actual photo body. Full of actually soot, diesel soot. And then let's come down here, look inside there. Look inside here, pretty much full of ash, diesel. Looks inside here, look at that. Pretty much, there's not much, the only thing to do is to actually take it out and clean it. You can't use those sprays that you see on the internet. People spraying, they spray a whole can in there, it doesn't even do nothing. You gotta remove it out and clean it properly, like this. I have advised the customer to get a brand new one of these. I've had a lot of problems with these photo bodies. They just play up all the time because of the actual soot. So the motor burns, because the little motor trying to wind back, but because of the soot, it stops the little flaps from moving and causing the motor to have high resistance in the future. But the problem is they don't really show up. There's a fault. Everything the car runs and then just cause problem with the actual idle when it's cold. But when it warms up, it's fine. So pretty much we're getting brand new battery as well. And I'm gonna check whatever I can check here before I put the intake manifold on. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.